Welcome back, fellow investors and traders. Jeff here with another video. And over the past week, there has been a huge amount of excitement injected back into the cryptocurrency market. I think the big thing that happened last week that really got investors excited once again about Bitcoin and crypto trading was on the news that Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and they are even planning to accept it as a payment. Apple also broke news of this as well, where they're going to add Bitcoin as a payment option in the Apple Wallet. And one of the questions I get a lot, mostly in my course, and from potential students that are thinking about signing up for the course, do I own any Bitcoin? Do I own any cryptocurrency? How much do I own? That is right here in the past 2 weeks, the most common question I've had people asking me. And of course, I always tell people, every position I own, whether it's stock or cryptocurrency, anything of that nature, any kind of digital currency, is fully transparent inside the course Trade Alerts Pro. But I think there is a very, very bullish sentiment on Bitcoin, and a lot of that, like I said, these big, massive tech companies are going to start accepting it as payment. So there's been more excitement than ever generated in a short period of time, not just for owning stocks, but for owning cryptocurrency, and most notably Bitcoin right now. So I decided to make a video on how to enable crypto trading inside of your Webull app. So we're not going to discuss how to buy it or sell it in this video. Those videos will be to come in the future. I'm just going to tell you how you can get crypto trading enabled for your account. It's actually very, very simple. It's a couple of small steps you're going to go through. So a couple things we're going to discuss in this video. We're going to talk about how to enable crypto trading for the Webull app. I'm going to also go through quickly how to sign up for Webull if you haven't done that already. We're going to understand the Webull Bitcoin trading system, okay? Just take a brief step into it, like I mentioned, elaborate on that a little bit. Then we're also going to discuss the risk and the rewards of cryptocurrency trading, okay? Very, very high risk, but right now the sentiment is very bullish. A lot of people think, well, that's the time you should buy, and again, in my opinion, that's really the time you should own and potentially sell to take profits, but we'll get into all that towards the end of the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we do, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. I appreciate all the support, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the process of how to enable crypto trading for Webull. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and open up your app as always. We're going to go down here to this bottom toolbar, and we're going to click on the Webull logo. And that is going to pull up your portfolio, okay? Your active portfolio balance, what all stocks and cryptos you hold. So we're going to go down here to this toolbar in the middle of the page, and we're going to click on more. After clicking on more, you're going to get a bunch of options. Up here at the top you see trade, account, cash and stock transfer, document, tools. The one we're going to focus on is the account tab, and inside that in the second row you're going to find crypto trading. Go ahead and click on that. And that's going to pull up your user agreement and disclosures. It reads that Webull supports the trading of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. So keep in mind that's the only 4 currencies that are able to be traded right now on Webull. So directly under that you have the Apex privacy policy, the Apex crypto user agreement, and the Apex crypto risk disclosures. Go ahead and click on all 3 of those, review them, try to familiarize yourself as much as you can with their policies and agreements. And now next you're going to go down here to this e-signature box, and here you're going to sign your name with the touchscreen, and you're going to click on save. That's going to send you back to the crypto agreement page. And once you've reviewed everything, you have a pretty decent understanding of what all is going on here. Down at the bottom, you're going to click on I agree. Once you've agreed to everything, your crypto application has been submitted. It normally will be approved in 1 business day. I'm going to tell you, once I did it, I was approved in about 45 minutes, okay? It came up in my message box. Yeah, it was roughly, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes after I filled the application out. I was fully approved. Also got an email telling me that crypto trading has been approved. And that is really about all there is to it, guys. Very, very simple. So the next time you click on the crypto trading tab, this is what you're going to find. You're going to find that you are enrolled in crypto trading, and here is the available currencies like I mentioned. For now, you can trade Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash. Okay, so this does give your account access. So like I said, if you do want to trade the price movement in any of these currencies, you can do that. And again, that can add a nice boost to your portfolio. So make sure to be on the lookout. I'm also going to publish more videos about how to buy Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin, those types of things. Those videos are coming in the near future. And as these tools expand and as more and more coins get added to Webull, I will make update videos to go along. So there is a couple things I do want to make you aware about trading cryptocurrency on Webull. First, probably the most important thing I do want to talk about is that when you do buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash, whenever you go to make a purchase of them on the Webull app, you do not actually own those coins and you cannot transfer them out of your account, okay? Basically what you're doing is you're speculating on the price of the coins moving up or down. Capitalize on the movements in the price. So for example, if you buy $1,000 of Bitcoin when it's $10, and if it ran up to 20, you could still sell and make a 100% return, make $2,000 on your initial investment of $1,000. However, you yourself do not own those coins. What you're trading is a representation of the coin prices. So I know a lot of people do have a problem with that. And for example, like on Coinbase, when you buy Bitcoin or Link or Ethereum, any of the crypto coins, you actually own and have possession of those coins. You can move them around to any crypto wallet you want, and you can also import other coins into the account. You will not be able to do that on Webull. You're just trading and speculating on the price of the coins. Now there is some upside to it as well. For example, all your trades will be commission free. They're not going to charge any commission to trade crypto. You'll have instant settlement. So when you buy the coins and then you decide to sell, you'll have instant funds in your account. You can also buy fractional coins, okay? You don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin or even a half of a Bitcoin. You can buy fractional amounts of all these coins, so that really helps. You can buy smaller amounts. And they do have a good 24/7 customer service, okay? Anytime you need help. They do have a lot of good content inside the help tab, and you can also reach out to customer service anytime you need to. I've sent them many messages over the years. They're always pretty quick to respond. But the one big drawback, like I did mention, you're unable to transfer currencies in and out of the brokerage account. You do not own these coins when you buy them. Alright, so now let me show you how to get signed up for Webull if you haven't already. This is the current promotion. Now right now, when you sign up for Webull, you can get up to 2 free stocks. And this is how it works, okay? You open an account and you get your first free stock between $2.50 and $250. Then if you fund your account with $100 or more, you get a second free stock valued between $8 and $1,600. So I'm going to have a link that you can sign up for Webull with down in my description. And also I'm going to have a video link on how to enable options on the Webull platform. I know that is really what's bringing people in right now is the options trading and the cryptocurrency trading. So now the last thing I briefly want to talk about is just the psychology of cryptocurrency investing. Where right now, and especially over the past couple of weeks and months, we've seen this massive run into all-time highs. Most of the time with stocks, you're supposed to sell into these massive runs or at least reduce your position or cost protect, deploy some of those methods. But going back over the past few months, Bitcoin just continues to move up, and it really has not been, in my memory, hasn't been more bullish of a time to at least own Bitcoin. So I wouldn't say that this is the absolute best time to buy Bitcoin. If you have a 5x, 10x, 20x gain on your position, you might want to consider cost protecting it. But if you are just now getting into Bitcoin trading, I would just warn you to be a little bit more on the cautious side, because between the end of 2017 and really about the middle of 2019, there was a lot of opportunities to buy Bitcoin very cheap for a period of time there. And we might see a period of time like that again. Not saying we definitely will, especially as more and more tech companies start getting involved with Bitcoin. this run could continue for a very long period of time. If you do have a very large gain on your position, I would consider taking some money off the table and letting the rest run. But anyways, that's all I got for the video, guys. Make sure to go down in the comments, share your thoughts and opinions with me. I always do enjoy hearing that. Thank you as always for watching the video, and have a great day.